Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching and welcome back to my channel. I just got out of a shower, which explains my wet hair, but I don't brush my hair when it's wet. I wait for it until it's dry, so you guys will just have to deal with my crazy hair. But before I did my makeup today, I wanted to show you guys quickly how I do my brows at home in terms of tinting it. I don't shape it that much, but I do tint it maybe every month or so. So I wanted to show you guys quickly how I tint my brows at home and how you guys can do it as well. So I use the I London Dye Brow Kit. So in this little kit you get a little tray as well as the developer and the color. So you just mix the two together, you apply it, and that's it. I'm gonna show you. So I'm gonna zoom you in. So please just excuse the way my little brow kit looks because I obviously use it. So to kind of mix it together, you can read the instructions on the back. On the instructions it says, I actually don't have a little leaflet, but it gives you the exact measurements to do this entire thing, but I just eyeball it because it really can't go wrong. So just do a little bit of the little color, and then I think you're supposed to do a few drops. I think it's like 10 drops, but I kind of just eyeball it, you guys. It can't really go wrong. Okay, and then I take a little brush that looks like this. This one is from Neuro brushes. You can basically use any of these like angled brushes, and then you kind of just mix this up. You can use anything to mix this with. I just use this little brush, and this consistency is a little bit watery, so I'm going to add a little bit more of this color. It should be like a pasty consistency, if you can kind of see there, just so you can work with it, you know. And then I will take a little spoolie. You can basically use any spoolie. I'm just using one from my makeup bag. This one is washed, but I can't get these little fuzzies off. And if you don't have a spoolie, you can always use a little toothbrush. That works just as good. Okay, so then I will grab little by little of this product. I made way too much, you know, solution, or I combined way too much product for my brows and that I'm going to use, but the product goes bad anyway. So basically what I do is I just take this little angled brush and I apply it to my eyebrows just as I would like a brow pomade. So I'm very careful and very meticulous and precise to where I place this product so I can get like that exact look as I wipe it off, because sometimes this product tends to cling to your skin and kind of discolor your skin. It does wash off like within 2 or 3 washes, but I mean, if you need to go somewhere that day, you don't want to look crazy. So I basically just do that on both sides, just very carefully, just kind of working with it slowly and just moving the product around. Okay, so that is basically the application. It looks quite thick and quite dark, but you'll see as I wash it off, it will look beautiful. So I just rinsed off my little brush, and then I take some, you know, rubbing alcohol, cleaning alcohol that you get at the pharmacy, and I will just kind of clean up my lines a little bit. And then once I'm done with that, I will kind of put my clock on and make sure that I rinse this off within 10 minutes or so. Okie dokie, so once the 10 minutes are up, I just take 2 little cotton rounds like this, or is this 3 or 1.5? No, it's 2. So just take 2 little cotton rounds. You can use toilet paper, you can use anything you want, and I take either rubbing alcohol, you can take a toner, you can take a makeup remover, you can take a makeup wipe, you can literally take anything to remove this, just not water. I don't think water is going to do that great of a job. So what I do is I take the cotton round, I spray it with some alcohol, whoopsie, and then I rub it off, just like that. So what I like about the alcohol instead of like a toner or a makeup wipe is that if you kind of rub it on your skin to remove the excess dye, you can see that it removes it from your skin as well. So if you accidentally applied some onto your skin, rubbing alcohol or like 80 or 75% alcohol that you get at the pharmacy works absolutely perfect. Here we go. Okay, and then the back of this one is a little bit clean. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the alcohol again and just make sure that everything is off. So that is how I dye my own brows at home. Let me know in the comments if you do any beauty treatments at home by yourself, and if so, what is it that you do at home. I love to do certain beauty treatments at home, but sometimes you kind of have to go into professional for certain things. But let me know in the comments if there's anything that you do at home. I would love to know. And then if you haven't done any beauty treatments, would you actually consider doing your own brows at home? I would love to know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, please do, because I post new videos every single Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and sometimes Sundays too. I hope you guys enjoy all of the new videos, and then I will see you guys next time. Bye.